In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate a chatbot using Tidio, specifically crafting a welcoming experience for first-time visitors to your site. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide that will have your virtual assistant greeting new visitors with ease and efficiency. First, you'll want to start by opening Tidio and heading straight to the Flows section. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll find yourself coming back here often as you refine and expand your chatbot capabilities. In the Flows section, you'll have the choice to either create your flow from scratch or select a template that closely aligns with your desired setup. For a tailored experience and the purpose of this tutorial, we'll go ahead and create one from scratch. Next up, it's time to choose a trigger, which essentially serves as the starting point for your flow, the event that will prompt the chatbot into action. Because we want our chatbot to engage first-time visitors, we'll select the first visit on site trigger. It's a perfect way to make newcomers feel acknowledged and provide immediate assistance, setting the tone for a positive interaction on your website. With the trigger set, we'll add an action to our flow. In this case, we want to send a chat message. This is the part where you let your creativity shine. Craft a friendly and welcoming message that will appear to visitors. You might consider something like, "Hi, welcome to our site. How can I help you today?" This message is your digital first impression, so make it warm and inviting while keeping it straight to the point. It's a great way to open the door for engagement and let visitors know that your chatbot is there to assist them. Once you've composed your message, it's crucial to save your work. And finally, ensure you activate the flow. Activating it is what makes everything come to life. Without this crucial step, your chatbot will remain silent and all your setup efforts won't be put into action. Remember, automating a chatbot isn't a one-time task. You might want to revisit the flow, tweak the message, or even expand its capabilities as you learn more about your audience's needs and behaviors. Keep testing different versions and find what resonates best with your visitors. Listening to your visitors' feedback is a great way to improve the flow and make sure your virtual assistant provides value and a seamless experience. That wraps up our tutorial on automating a welcoming chatbot message using Tidio. With these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your visitors' experience and providing instant, friendly assistance with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.